Okay, this is just a very quick video about where to find your review links for Google and Facebook. What to send your students in an email. Okay, really quick. All right, so asking your students for reviews. Okay, first let me show you where you can find your Google review link. Okay, so there's two ways. So first, I can just Google name of your school. This is your Google My Business file here. You can scroll down here, and here you have Google reviews. So if I click this, write a review. Okay, I can't take this. This isn't the best, but okay, it'll do for the moment. So this one will work, or if I go to the back office of my Google My Business page for my school, so here, share review form. Take that and just check it here. Yeah. So the review form should come up now. Give it a second. There we go. Okay, so I've copied that link. So what next? I have to get a Facebook review link. You either go in straight directly into your Facebook, but look, I'll just go here from the Google My Business. Okay, here's our Facebook page. Scroll down, go to reviews, and just take the link from here. Yeah. Okay, so you have the Google link, Facebook. Google is way better. It just gives you better, there's better benefits using Google reviews. Okay, so you have your Google review link or your Facebook review link. So, just send that out. Send out some emails to your students and start asking for reviews. Don't forget, ask your most recent students who are studying with you now, because they will respond more. They respond better. So it's very simple email. Don't overthink it. Hi, Ivan. I hope you're enjoying your English course. I'm writing to ask you if you'd be willing to leave a quick online review for a school. It shouldn't take a moment. If you click here. So I put the review link in here, just hyperlink this. And I added the review link again here. So it's just a very simple email. Nothing special there. But yeah, so do that. Start emailing your students now.